right, so this video is going to try to help everyone navigate where to go as I've done some changes to try to make it easier. So this is our main page, and of course you had the introduction video here. You can watch that from yesterday because that will help you, and I'm going to do one very similar again today to help people make sure they know where to go, and I'm going to post this in an email to parents to help them out. And I could probably attach it to students as well. What we're going to do from now on is we're going to go to our classes. Let's check out our reading. Over here on the side, can you see? I'm going to move my face very close. Right here, the folders. We're going to click the folders, and then all of these folders are going to open up. We have read alouds, daily agenda, morning work, vocabulary, grammar, and spelling lists. Now our assignments are not in these files. Our assignments are on the side here under what's due. So here's all of our assignments that are due by 9 o'clock every morning, the next morning. So daily agenda, when you click on that, this one says for what we did today, because it's Tuesday evening now. And so you'll have one of these for Wednesday. It tells you all of the things we're going to work on today. Gives you a little bit of information here. So you'll have one of these every day so that you can kind of look and do a little checklist. All right. And then back in our class, we have our folders. Then you're going to go ahead and click into read alouds. And there's our chapter 1 and 2. 3, 4, and 5. We're going to be adding 6, 7, and 8 this evening. Back to the folders, we have morning work. So if you click on this, this was our Tuesday morning work here. And I do our video here. And then, let's go back again. We've got our vocabulary. So we have our week 1 words. And so here's our first day 1, and then you'll have a day 2, and you'll watch the video.
Okay.
Right there. And let's go back here to folders again. There's our grammar, and there's our spelling list. So you're going to click into each of these, and it will just be a video about that specific topic. So if you're in grammar, it's only going to be videos about grammar. If you are in morning work, it is only going to be videos about morning work, and so on. So that's where you're going to watch the videos. Here is where you're going to do the assignments. So unless it is something I have to have back, I'm going to have you either answer a question or write the word done, or type the word done and hit submit. So make sure that you write the word done after you've done the activity that I've asked you to do in the video. Then you can hit done and submit. So please don't hit done and submit unless you have finished that work, because there will be tests. And if you haven't done the work with me in the videos, the tests could be difficult. All right, same with math. If we go to the math class, open our math, maybe. See if it works this time. Okay, in our folders, here's our daily agenda, which is one we already looked at, so that you can look at this and see what your math is for that day. Oh, it's not wanting to let us see it. There we go. So we can see what we need to do. So math lesson for Tuesday was lesson step up number 1. And then we have our math lesson right here, step up lesson 1 in Envision. So tomorrow you'll have step up lesson number 6. We're going to jump to number 6 in Envision. So that is where you're going to find your work, is in the folders. A place that might be quick for you to check your assignments that are due, click on our Edmodo planner, this number 30 here. And it lists everything that was due on Tuesday. So it tells you what was due. I'm trying to see if it will let me click on a lesson. Guess this is just going to tell you what you need to be working on. But under the what's due, view all classwork right here, you can see all of the things that need to be done. So I don't have everybody's work in for everything. On our list three things you want to learn in third grade, we've got everybody. We've got a few people missing for some of the others. So please try to get those done so that I can give you your attendance for each day. That's what we need to do, is make sure everyone has turned in their reply every day so I can give them credit for their attendance. All right, so I hope that was helpful. Go to classes. We're going to pick the class we want, reading, check the folders, and you can click in here to find the work that you'll need to do. Now, if you are wondering, do I need to click into every single one? That's a good question. Check the agenda. Go to the daily agenda and look in there to see if you need to be looking in every single folder, because you may not need to look into every single thing that is in there. Some days you will, and some days you won't have to. All right, I hope that is more helpful. I'm hoping that all of these changes will make it easier for you to find things, be able to break things up. Maybe you can do a schedule, have your child work for a little while, maybe an hour in the morning, take a break, a little bit of an hour again, take a lunch break, maybe another hour. If you have to have another hour, you may not need that. So hopefully that is helpful. But try to make a little routine that works for your family, and let me know if you need me to do any videos to help you navigate through this a little easier. I know we have some kids that are wanting to do Google Meets, and I'd like to do that. I'm probably not going to start those until next week. I'm sorry. But if you have a specific question or you need some help with a lesson, please let me know, because I can do a meeting with you, or I can make a video for you to make that easier for you. All right. I wish that we were all together, and I'm so proud to have all of you guys in my class. And I've heard such wonderful things about you from your second grade teachers. So I'm very thrilled. And after meeting you at Meet the Teacher, I'm always the lucky teacher that gets the best class every year. It's 100% the truth. I don't know how that works out, but I'm thankful. All right. So I think you guys are doing a great job. Let me know how I can help you, because I appreciate what you're doing at home, because I know it's a lot of work, and I know it's not something you're used to. So I do appreciate you.